Well, guys, as you can tell by the title, we have some sad news. So I left today to pick up a bunch of stuff. Some of it you can see here. You can actually see this right here. There'll be a video about this card and this power supply coming up. So I went to pick up some stuff, and I came back, plugged in this GPU to test it, and it doesn't turn on. The system just will not turn on. I thought it was the power supply, so I replaced it with this, which is a verified working power supply, and it still won't turn on. But the lights, the LEDs on the top of our Trident Z Royal, did turn on. So what I've assumed and have figured out based on searching up online is that at least the motherboard is fried. In some way, because it's like the fans won't turn on. No fans connected to the motherboard started spinning. The graphics card didn't turn on. So it has something to do with the power delivery from the 24 pin to the board. But we can assume that the board is fried. Now I could keep testing and probably fix it. Maybe it's not fried. Maybe I stuff there. I've tried resetting. I took out the CMOS battery and everything. I tried resetting the board, switching out the CPU and stuff like that. I don't have another CPU right now, and also I'm not going to risk any more components on basically I paid $40 for this motherboard. So just for now, our test bench is out of commission, so it's going to be a little more annoying to, first of all, test this card. Second of all, test our Crossfire Vega 64s, because, surprise, this is a 1300 watt power supply. EVGA G2 1300 watts. It's a chunky boy. Specifically for that, it's got six red ones, 6 VGA connectors, so plenty of power for our two Vegas. We were going to test them just to see how Crossfire would do, even with the cheap parts, but we can't now because our motherboard doesn't work, so it's a little disappointing, but that's just to explain how we've gotten delayed, which means I'll have to take the 7700K and either bring it over here or move the set over there, or I kind of want to put this in Threadripper, and because basically the two Vega 64s, which I'll explain in the video, they won't run at full maximum power. I mean, yes, 8 lanes is plenty, but I'd rather them both have 16 lanes. The only way I could do that is on Threadripper or another high-end platform. All I have is Threadripper, but yeah. So basically, that's what happened. Motherboard is I can assume just broken. I think the CPU should be fine. Judging by the fact that the RAM still works, power still goes to the RAM, I can assume those aren't broken, which I can just assume the 24-pin connector, something happened at that part. Motherboard's broken, everything in it survived. But that's besides it. Kind of what happened. Also, I went to a 7-Eleven, and I found this. But not only did I find this, I found this. I found this. And I found this. Now, none of you probably know what these are, but these are super rare energy drinks, which means that for our next few videos, each one I will be taste testing to see if they're rare for a good reason. So today's taste test won't be this one because this one has a warning on it. Monster Max, the pink one, of course, which I believe is dragon fruit. No, probably not, but let's find out. Got on my face a little bit. It's pink. Smells good. Tastes delicious. That is good. You would think I learned my lesson. If only this got mixed in, it might have tasted good. I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera. This will be great for editing. This is I recommend this. Now, of course, I never recommend drinking these because they're just bad for you. But if you are, Monster Max Pink. They're hard to find, at least in my state. I actually had to go to New Jersey to find these in the classiest looking 7-Eleven I've ever seen. That's the point. This is our drink for the video, Monster Max. You're a beautiful can. Please sponsor me. I know you won't, but that's it. So I just want to tell you guys, motherboard fried. We got a new PSU though. We're going to get this fixed, probably just pick up a new one tomorrow. I actually am heading to Micro Center tomorrow. Today's Sunday when I'm recording this. Monday when I'm posting it probably. To me and my friend, I'm building him a PC basically, or helping him pick out parts to build one. So that'll be a nice series to do. So that'll be fun. That's what I'm doing tomorrow night. Videos every day. this is our video for Monday. I know it's a little disappointing. That's a disappointing video, and I'm just stalling for time right now. But that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.